My dear friend, if you face this problem of having too many stocks in your watch list and you do not know which are the current stocks that you can trade among so many stocks in your watch list, then this video is for you. Welcome to the monitor of the trade wizard. Now let's say this is my watch list and all these stocks are given by my remisier. As you can see, remisier UOB KN. So I believe for you guys, each and every one of you, you face a similar problem whereby your remisier give you too many stocks. And when you have too many stocks, you have this problem of not knowing which stock to trade currently because there are too many stocks and you have to go through them one by one every single day. Now, we would like to introduce you this function known as strategy under the monitor of the trade wizard. So strategy is basically like a ranking function. So it will rank for you out of so many stocks in your watch list. Let's say there are 50 stocks. Which are the stocks that are currently highly potential? So what you need to do is just to click and it will filter for you. So out of so many stocks here, EMCC fulfill 10 out of 11 criteria under your strategy. So it means that this stock is currently more highly potential as compared to the rest. So you can see that UMC fulfill 0 out of 11, VS, Jeff Tech, all these fulfill 1 out of 11. So normally what we do is that we only select stocks that fulfill the higher number of strategy and we ignore or we just leave it aside for those stocks that fulfill lower number of strategy. So how to create this strategy? When you visit our monitor, you will notice this strategy icon. So it's like a light bulb. So you click onto it and then you add a new strategy. Okay, you give your strategy a name. Let's say I give it testing and then I just select all the indicators that I want. Okay, I just select all the indicators that I want. So let's say the first one, I want SMA 20 to be above SMA 50. Let's say the second one, MACD 1027, I want it to be above 0. So you can't select 0 here. What you need to do is to click onto this swap to value. So when you click swap to value, you can key in the value that you want. For example, in this case, I key in above 0.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so my dear friend, I've already included the 5 most important criteria for me. Okay, for example. So you have to include the 5 most important aspects for you that you think is important when it comes to screening stock. And if you are a pro account user, you can only include maximum 5 different indicators. But if you are a sophisticated account user, then you can include more than 5. So what I do is I submit. So once I submit, it will show me that, okay, out of my list of stock, I can rank them whereby AWC, MFCB, and Kejaya fulfill 5 out of 5. SNRT, Teo Seng fulfill 4 out of 5. So normally what we do is that we will choose those that have high strategy, okay? Those that have high strategy, and we will ignore those that have low strategy. So apply strategy. So you can see all this. Out of so many stocks, currently AWC, Kejaya, MFCB, SMRT, Teo Seng, these are the ones that we prefer more as compared to VS, UMC focus, okay? So this is normally what I do in my trading routine whereby I will click and apply strategy to rank my stocks. And for those of you who want more than 5 strategy, you guys need to subscribe to sophisticated account. Otherwise, for pro account user, currently we only limit a strategy of 5 for maximum. Now, by having this strategy, I'm able to rank my stocks in my watch list and determine which are the current high potential stocks and filter out those undesired ones. And by doing so, I'm able to select stocks that have higher quality in my watch list. With that, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.